This is the assembly of knuckle joint. Knuckle joint consists of total 5 parts: fork, eye, pin, collar and taper pin. This is the fork, this is the front view, and this is the top view of the fork. Eye, this is the front view of the eye, this is the top view of the eye. Pin, third part, this is the pin, this is the front view, this is the top view. Collar, this is the collar, front view and top view of the collar. This is the taper pin. Here you can see this is the taper pin. Now one by one I will explain how to do in Solidworks. First let us start with the fork. Select part file, select OK. Select sketch, take rectangle command. Here from this vertical reference line origin, draw one rectangle and one more rectangle like this. Make dimension, it is 30 mm. Do the dimension 30. Next distance from here to origin point, make it center. Origin point to this line, make it as 30 divided by 2. This rectangle, take it as dimension. Height is, here you can see radius is 30 mm, so diameter will be 60. So here height also will be 60 mm. From origin point to bottom horizontal line, 60 divided by 2. Next, total length. I have taken this as a origin point. We are drawing now this part. Okay. Length from here to here it is 125 mm. Length of this rectangle, make it as 125. Distance from here to here, I have taken one more rectangle here, so length is 30 mm. Okay, it should be in this way. Now select center point arc from this point. Okay, draw one arc, one arc here and one more arc at the end, radius 30. One arc radius 15, one more arc radius 30. It should come in this geometrical shape. Now select sketch trim. Okay, trim the unwanted lines and arcs. Coming from right to left, trim this arc which is inside this rectangle. Okay, now trim this horizontal line followed by this vertical line. Repeat same here, horizontal line followed by this vertical line, and trim this line also and this vertical line twice. So it should be in the shape of tuning fork, which you have done in the science experiment. I hope you understand. It should be in the form of tuning fork. Select isometric view, extruded base. This is thickness of square 30, means this is also length also 30 and width also 30 mm. From mid plane, extrude 30 mm and select OK. Now from top view we can see a diameter of 50 and diameter of 25 mm. First we will do diameter of 50. Where we have to draw this, we have to draw on this face. Okay, so select this face. Okay, you can see, select this face, don't select the top face. You have to select top face over here bottom. Okay, next select top view, select sketch, take circle command. From this origin point, draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter of the circle is 50 mm. Diameter of the circle is 50. Enter 50. Select isometric view. I will show in front view how we have to extrude. Select extruded base. It is going towards upward from the sketch. It should be downwards of 17.5 mm. Make it reverse direction. Instead of enter 17.5 mm. Select OK. It should be in this way. Now select, with the help of the mirror command, we will copy this to other side, to the top, with the help of the mirror. Select top plane. Okay, we have to select top plane. Next, select mirror, features to mirror. This feature we have to do mirroring. Select this feature. Okay, don't select on this first part, extruded 1. Select on extruded 2. Select OK. Okay, next select top face. Select top face, top view, sketch, circle. We have to cut this portion. This is diameter of 25 mm. From origin point, draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter is given as 25. Select isometric view, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Okay, next we have to do this geometric shape. I will show how to do it. It is length of 37.5 mm. Select this right face, right view, sketch, select polygon command. In parameters enter 8. 8 means octagon. From origin point, draw one octagon. Okay. Select any one of this side, make it vertical. Make dimension. Distance from origin point to this point, it should be 15 mm, because this is width is 30 mm, so make it as 15. So it should be like this. Next, isometric view, extruded cut. Instead of cutting this octagonal geometrical shape, here we have to make it as flip side to cut. Okay, select flip side to cut. Okay, it will be like this. Enter 37.5 mm. Okay, enter 37.5. Select OK. Okay, it will come like this. Here we have to do the fillet by using fillet command. Select fillet, enter 6 mm. Do the fillet, select the edge. Okay, select the edge, rotate the part and select the edge. We can rotate the part by using mouse scroll button, or else with the help of the arrow keys which is present on the keyboard. Edge 3, this one again, this edge 4. Okay, now select OK. Okay, next we have to draw one shaft. Okay, here shaft diameter is 25. Select this octagon, right side, sketch circle from origin point, draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter of the shaft is 25 mm. Isometric view, extruded base, shaft length maybe as your wish, so I am giving as 20 mm. select OK. Whenever you are doing a shaft, it should be at the end, it must be chamfered. Select chamfer. All unmentioned fillets and rounds radii 3 mm, but he has not mentioned the taper. I'm giving us 2 mm. Select this face, select OK, or else take it as 1 mm. Okay. Next, here he has mentioned radius 24, and in the top view also he has mentioned radius 24. Means this part it is radius 24, as well as here radius 24. Select fillet command, enter 24. Here select this edge, select bottom edge, make it as, and again select this edge also. Okay, you can see this edge front as well as back. All the 6 edges is given as radius 24. Here also 24, and here also 24. Select OK. This is the front view. This is the top view. Okay. Save the file. File, save. Make a separate folder for this knuckle joint. Save. Give the file name as mentioned here, fork. Save. Next, second part is eye. File, select part, select OK. Here also take one rectangle. Take one rectangle command. Make dimension. It is 30 mm. Here also do repeat the same procedure as in the previous. From origin point to bottom or top edge, it must be half of this width, 30 divided by 2. Length of the eye is 100 mm. Make it coincide. Add relation from this origin point to this line. Make it as coincide. Next, select isometric view, extruded base. From mid plane, enter 30 mm. Select OK. Now select top face, top view, sketch, circle. From origin point, draw one circle. Make the dimensions. Diameter is 50 mm. External circle, okay. Diameter 50. Isometric view, extruded base. Select reverse direction. Select 30 mm. Select OK. Now select top face, top view, sketch, circle. From origin point, draw one circle. make dimension. Diameter of the circle is 25 mm. Here you can see diameter of the circle is 25 mm. Enter 25. Isometric view, extruded cut, select through all, select OK. Next, same way what we have repeated for the fork, same you have to repeat for this eye also. Select left view, face, sketch, polygon, enter sides as number of sides as 8. From origin point, draw an octagon, select any one of this side, make it vertical. Dimension from near to here it must be 15 mm, or add relation. Okay, make it collinear. Select OK. You can give the dimension or you can give a relation between a line and this edge. Select isometric view, extruded cut, flip side to cut 37.5. Here it is given 37.5. Select OK. Now select fillet, give 6 mm, edge select 6 mm, select OK. Now select side view, sketch, circle, from origin point draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter of the shaft is 25 mm. Diameter of the shaft is 25 mm. Isometric view, extruded base, I'm giving as 20 mm. Chamfer, enter 1, select this edge, select OK. Select fillet, enter 24. Here as mentioned, radius 24. Select this edge and this edge. Okay, select OK. So this is the front view and this is the top view of the eye. Save the file. Save. Next, we'll move on to the pin. This is the third part, pin. Okay. Select top plane, top view, sketch, circle, from origin point draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter of this circle, okay, 38 mm. Enter 38. Isometric view, extruded base, thickness of the head, pin of the head is 10 mm. Enter 10, select OK. Next select top face, top view, sketch, circle, from origin point draw one circle, make dimension. Diameter is, here you can see in the top view 25 mm. Enter 25. Isometric view, extruded base, height is 82 mm. Enter 82. Select OK. Now select front plane, front view, sketch, take center line command. Here draw one center line. Okay. Do the dimension. distance from uh, this taper pin top to this center line is 11.5 mm. So do the dimension. Here to here it is 11.5 mm. Select zoom to area. Next, here one side diameter has given us 5 and he has mentioned this taper is 1 is to 50. Taper is 1 is to 50. So one end diameter we know that is 5 mm. Another end, by using formula we have to find out taper pin one end is 5, other end is 4.5. It is 5, it is 1 is to 50, so it will be another end is 4.5 mm. For every 50 mm length 1 mm will be reduced. So here diameter is 25, this diameter is 25, so 1 divided by 50 is 1 divided by 50 into 25, that is it will be 0.5. So 5 minus 0.5 is 4.5. Take line command, draw one line here, inclined line, again followed by vertical line, again one inclined line. Do the dimension. Then this diameter is 5 mm. From here to the center line it should be 5 divided by 2. Next another end is 4.5. From this point to this line it should be 4.5 divided by 2. Okay. Next, from here to here length must be 25. Should be 25. Make it as coincident relationship. Select isometric view. Here we can see Revolve Cut. Select Revolve Cut. We have to trim this line. Revolve Cut. Select OK. Okay. This is the select front view. Make it hidden line visible. So it is taperly. We have cut a slot on the taper pin. Save the file. Taper pin. Next part is fourth part is collar. Fourth part is collar. Select top plane, top view, sketch, circle. Here draw two circles, make dimension. External diameter is, one circle diameter is radius 38, sorry diameter 38. One more circle diameter is 25. Isometric view, extruded base, thickness is 10 mm. Mid plane, enter 10, select OK. Next, select front plane, front view, sketch, center line. Okay, from here draw one center line. Select line command. Here diameter is 6 mm. So from calculation, diameter is 6 mm, other end will be 5.24. Dimension, one end is 6 mm, half of the 6 is 3, 6 divided by 2, other end make the dimension as 5.24. From one end to this origin point, 5.24 divided by 2. Next, distance length is 38. Enter 38 mm. Enter, select. Next, add relation from this vertical line to edge. Make it as coincident. Select sketch trim. Trim this upper part. So we have to do extruded, revolve cut. So revolve cut will works from the center line. So on we have to do only off sketch, symmetrical sketch. Okay. So select revolve cut. Select OK. Give OK. Okay. Select front view. Hidden line visible. So it is taperly cutted inside this collar. Save. Next, last part is pin. Fifth part is taper pin. So this is taper pin. Select sketch, take center line. From origin point, draw one center line. Make dimension. Length is 44. Take line command. Draw one line, inclined line, vertical line, and again one inclined line. Make dimension. Taper pin is 6.5. From origin point to end point, 6.5 divided by 2. Other end 5.62. 5.62 is point 2, origin point 5.62 divided by 2. Okay. Now select sketch trim. Trim the upper portion, upper sketch. Now select revolve base. Select OK. So this is the taper pin. Previously it was a pin, actually it's not a taper pin. Now what we have done, that is a taper pin. This is a pin. Okay, we have to rename. Okay, now we start the assembly. All the 5 parts we have done in a part file. Next we move on to the assembly and we will check how to do the I will explain how to do the assembly of this knuckle joint. File, new, assembly. Okay, select assembly file, select OK, select insert component from file. Okay, we have saved the files. Always keep in mind that first part what will import here on the assembly in the assembly file, that will be a fixed part and it cannot be moved or rotated. Select fork, select open. Okay, this is the fork. Second part, insert component from file. Second part is I, as per the bill of material mentioned here. So we have to do import one by one. Second part is I, select I, open. To insert component from file. Third part is pin. Fourth part collar. Fifth part taper pin. Insert component from file, collar, open. Insert component from file. Fifth part is taper pin, open. Okay, these are all the knuckle joint 5 parts. We have to give a mate relationship between fork and eye. Let's see how to do it, how to mate this both the parts. First we have to mate fork with eye. Select mate, select this face. Okay, fork of the face. Next select bottom of the eye, bottom face of the eye. Okay, select preview, select OK. Next we have to mate, select mate, select this internal diameter, what we have given as radius as diameter 25 and this diameter 25. Select preview, select OK. So this is how it looks like. Next give relation between taper pin and this fork and eye. This diameter 25 mm. Select mate. You can see this head, top, bottom face and fork, bottom face. Okay, it has to place here. Select preview, select OK. Next select mate, this outer diameter 25 mm face and this inner diameter 25 mm face. Select preview, okay, select OK. Next insert this collar on the top of the fork and this taper pin. Mate, it has to place on this collar top face. Your relation between top face and this collar bottom face. Preview, select OK. Next select mate command, taper outside diameter and inner diameter. Select preview, select OK. Okay, after mating this, please don't move the component or rotate the component. After inserting the pin, then we can rotate. Okay, now select mate, outer diameter of the pin, with this collar. Select. Okay. Now we have to move this pin. Select move component. Inside this, it should be in this way. Select. So this completes the assembly of the knuckle joint. Now let's save this assembly of knuckle joint. Select save. Next we have to I will show how to do the front, top and side view for this knuckle joint assembly. Select file, new, select drawing, file, select OK. Now select no sheet format. Here select A4 landscape, select OK. No sheet, A4 landscape, select OK. So this is our boundary. Within this boundary we have to place this drawing. Here we can see a predefined view. Select a predefined view. Okay, place it on this graphics area. Select isometric. Select assembly of knuckle joint. Okay, or browse. Here select all files. Assembly of knuckle joint. Select open. Select OK. Okay. So we have to reduce this scale. Double click on this custom scale. Reduce the scale or give it 1.7. Select OK. Now go for standard 3 view. Okay, select here, click on here, select OK. Here it is very small. Okay, select all the 3. Select all the 3 views. Increase the scale. So this is the isometric view. This is the front view, top view and side view. Next we will do the bill of materials for this. Select this isometric view, insert bill of materials, select open. Here select open. So you can see this is the bill of material. Place it here. Go to annotation. So this is a front view. select OK. Okay, now show the balloons for this. Here you can see a balloon option. Click on this. This is second part, that is eye. This is first part, that is fork. This is third part, pin. Fifth part, taper pin. One more is collar. This is collar. So this completes the assembly of knuckle joint with standard 3 views: front, top and side view with bill of materials. We can edit this bill of materials by double click on this, and we can customly we can select this description also by here they have mentioned some more details as material and number of everything we can enter in this sheet. By double click we can edit it. If required, please edit it.